Welcome guys, in front of me I have our ASUS Rog 3 and I'm going to show you the fingerprint scanner test. So at the first let's set up the fingerprint protection. So go for the security and location, then tap on the fingerprints, input your current log method and then read the description and go for the next. Click OK and let's put our finger right here. As you can see right now it's looking really smooth and really fast. Okay, so here we got the first problems, but we have to put correctly our finger and it's fine. We have to follow steps like on the screen. Okay, click done. And right now let's check how it works when we lock our device. Okay, let's make it for the five times. Okay, as you can see, it is not working always that good, but in the most cases you are able to unlock your phone without any problems. Maybe I just put my finger too fast. Yeah, so definitely when the fingerprint logo pops here and we put the finger right now, it is working, but when you try to make it faster, it will not work, right? So you have to wait until it pops right here and then you can open it. As you can see, it is really fast. So what I can say is really good fingerprint scanner on the ASUS Rog 3. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!